Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm getting ready to explain how to do one of these questions right here for decimal place value. So pretty much your question is right here. This is what you're going to be putting into the place value chart. So that is 7 and 54 hundredths. So all you're going to do is you're going to come to the numbers. You're going to click and drag the numbers where they go, the digits where they go. So this is a 7, so this is supposed to be going into ones place. The next digit should be a 5 that goes into tenths place, which goes right there. And then we have a 4, which goes in the hundredths place. So that is going to go right there. Okay. And from there, all we're going to do is we're going to write this number in word form. Okay. So this is 7 and 54 hundredths there. So I'm going to write 7 and the decimal always stands for and I'm going to write 54 and then the place value where it ends, which is hundredths. So that's going to be 77 and 54 hundredths. Okay, that's all that is. Alright, let's move on to the next one right here. I have 12 and I noticed that 0 right there. So basically what that means is I'm going to go to the next place value, which is the hundredths place. So let me start by putting my 12 where it needs to go. So I have my 1, and that's going to go in the tens place, obviously. I'm going to have my 2 here, which is going to go in the ones place. And then obviously I have a 0 in the tenths place, right? So I'm going to go grab a 0, put it in the tenths place, and I have a 4 in the hundredths place. So I'm going to go grab a 4, bring it in there. Boom, that's all it is. And now last step is to put this in word form. So let me start off with what I have. I have 12, right? So I'm going to write 12. Decimal place means and, right? So and. Since I have a 0 right here, I'm just going to ignore that and go to the next place value. I have a 4 in the hundredths place. So basically what that means is just 4 hundredths. So 4 hundredths. And that's all it is too, guys.